Okay, what's up guys? Well, this is Shutter on Wheels and welcome to my channel once again. Oh boy. So how are all of you doing? I hope everyone is doing just fantastic with their lives. Well, what do we have today? So I've been getting a lot of requests on social media, the media which is social as we call it, to put a dedicated video on my handlebars, handlebars or clip-ons or whatever you would like to call them. So you can see that these are not the stock handlebars which we have on the RC390 or the RC200. Well, yes, I have modified them to my taste. I mentioned it in my modifications video which I did when I reached 1000 subscribers. Let's jump into the details. So first of all,
everybody put your hands in the air.
First of all, let's get to the basics. Why do you even want to raise your handlebars? So the only reason I can think of is the stock configuration of the bike is not so comfortable for you. You find it like really difficult to cope up with the motorcycle when on a long ride or even on the highways. Or what else? Yeah, mainly if you want more comfort, then you go for the raising of the handlebars. So what do I have over here? What are the options? So basically what we want to do is, so let's say I have a stock handlebar over here, and so simply I want to raise it by some degrees. First option is either you do some modification on the triple tree and bring up some apparatus where you can put on the Duke's handlebar. Well, that seems okay. Many people have even done that if you will do some research on YouTube or Google, but I find it a bit intrusive. So according to me, it has serious repercussions on the bike's outlook. So that's why I didn't opt for that basically. Another one, basically you can replace the triple tree with a different set of triple tree which has support for Duke's handlebars, but again it will have repercussions on the outlook of the motorcycle. So here I am with my style, you would say. Okay, let me bring out what I have replaced. Yeah, I am carrying all my stuff with me today. So that is the one. So basically guys, this is the part which connects the triple tree with your forks. So let's remove this plastic part, and yes, that's the one. So what I did was, basically I replaced this part with a custom made. So this is the part that you can see, the one with this cylindrical shape and which goes up till here. This much of the part is exactly the same because I need to support the same amount of rings on the outside and the inside. So these things, they all remain the same. Just the nut that you are seeing over here is absent with my custom made part. So to make you better understand, please see the image which is coming right here, I guess, right here or right here, wherever. Yeah, so in the picture you can see that on the custom made part this nut is absent, and we have a cylindrical shaped metal piece coming outwards. This one, yes, exactly this one. This need to be of the same diameter as that of the R15 clip-ons. Yes, so these are the R15 clip-on handlebars. This handlebar is also from the R15. I'll come back to this later. So there is another thing that you have to do is, you can see a nut over here. Basically you have to drill along the cross section of that cylindrical part just to ensure that this stuff is not sliding on the outer surface of that cylindrical metal. Yeah, please, you can see. Let me click some pics as well to make you guys better understand what is happening over here. there you go. I hope these dogs are happy with me being here. I hope. Okay, as soon as you are done with these two things, you're almost there. So the thing which remains is this handlebar. There is a minor change which you need to do with the handlebars. Let me show you. So this is the stock handlebar of my RC 200. Looks pretty good actually. So you can see a small hole over there. Yeah, it's a one-sided hole, perhaps. Yes. So this hole is absent in the clip-on handlebars of R15. So you need to drill this hole as well. I don't know what's the reason for them. I guess to ensure that this plastic thing remains in position, this hole need to be drilled. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So as an outcome, what you get is risen handlebars, and I guess they are risen by what, like here and here. So this much. This much. It accounts to be around 1.5 inches or 2 inches. I'm not sure, but it looks like 1.5 to 2 inches, which is really a good number if you would ask me. It has really helped me a lot in my long tours, even in city riding for that matter. I've done around 300 kilometers on a single stretch, and yeah, it was pretty much comfortable. In case you are thinking that did I do all of this stuff myself, then no. Basically I got it done from Karol Bagh, and if you want to know from which shop I got it done, just hit me up on Instagram. I will surely let you know. I hope I cleared all of your doubts, and in case I still left something behind, you can mention in the comment section, and I will definitely answer up. So boys and girls, we are done for today. Let's head back. So guys, today I had plans to show you something new, basically a new camera angle. If you've seen my other videos, you already know that I have two action cameras. One is the GoPro Hero 4 Silver, which I use on my helmet's chin, and the other one is the SJCam, which one I don't remember. 7000X Elite something. Okay, whatever. So yeah, I had plans that I will use secondary cam today. You can see I've even put the female buckle over here, but I couldn't really get the male buckle to get attached to it. They were not compatible. I've seen vloggers using the front camera view, and I really like that, and I thought I should definitely give it a try, because it basically shows your face to the audience, and I think audience might feel even more connected to you. It is around 6 PM and it's a winter evening, you know. Sun sets quite early. That is it. Now we are finally done. Oh, so if you really like the video, hit that like button. Yes, you got to hit that. It really helps. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press the bell icon as well, and that's it. Bye bye guys. I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye. Go.